Welcome to My Empower Project with your host, Erin. We will discuss nutrition, fitness, becoming your own boss, and just becoming better every day. I invite you to join My Empower Project as we embark, embrace, encompass, and enlighten.
We're here! You know what I'm here to do. I'm here to give you information. Here's what I'm not going to do. I'm not going to ask you to wake up, look at yourself in the mirror, and tell yourself how beautiful and amazing you are. Although you should have positive words and thoughts about yourself, that's not exactly the kind of methods that I am referring to when I talk about personal development and mindset. And we are not in Eat, Pray, Love with Julia Roberts right now. We have things to get done today, and other people aren't concerned with our personal journey. But you best believe you should be very involved in your personal journey. You just don't have to talk about it every single day to everyone you see. Since my past 12 to 15 months has been an incredible journey, I thought before I continue, let me see if any friends of mine want to take this journey with me. If there's anyone else out there, even whom I haven't met yet, that's kind of on a transition of their own, and see if you want to join me. You see, something happened to me over the past year. I fell in love with helping people learn new ideas, because you never know when something will spark your interest. I hope to inspire you and hope to help you find ways to bring balance to life's hectic schedule, decreasing stress by setting habits into motion that can lead to increased wellness and happiness. Change takes time, and I invite you to join me in this thing that I decided to call My Empower Project, because it's yours. And I want you to wake up in the morning and say, today I begin my Empower Project, and it will be epic. My Empower Project. Embark, embrace, encompass, and enlighten. Let me explain a little bit more about how we break down each of our own projects. I want to bring balance, as I said. And to do that, we must feel personally empowered. To feel empowered means we feel strong and in control. But how do we get to that point? First, we're going to embark. We're going to start something new. We're going to start an action, a habit, a routine. That all starts with a decision. Once we have that, we have to embrace it. Accept it won't be easy, believe in ourselves, and be excited and willing to take on our new course of action. Together, we're going to encompass the complete process as a whole, meaning we know that it will take time. It's been decades that we've become who we are by doing the same thing. So we need to encompass, grab hold of the entirety before us and the entirety that's about to come, by understanding the fact that the small things will eventually fall into place and complete the entire puzzle. Doing this will feel enlightened. We'll have the understanding of what it takes to make a change, whether internally or externally in your life. The knowledge that we gain and the introspect into our own personal thoughts is how we can change them, and having personal insight is what will guide us. I hope my guests on the show make you feel enlightened, and I hope the opportunities I share do as well. Let me quick share this. When I was in Bali, I realized I would be coming upon a transition in my life. Transitions aren't easy. Change is scary. You're already comfortable doing what you know. So anything different could be looked at as something to fear. I knew something was approaching because I felt a push for more. What I could have done is let the fear cause procrastination. But I decided that I had to 100% believe in the process, believe in myself, believe that all the little steps would get me to the big steps, but I had to consistently do them. My Empower Project is your chance to just do something you've always wanted to do, because life flies by and you don't ever want to say, I wish I did something. So just do it. If it doesn't work, cool. You probably made a friend, you probably learned something, you probably learned how much you love something else. So jump in with me, figure out what would make you feel better, balanced, and empowered. And let me know. Put them below, put them in the comments, review this podcast, email me. I want to hear about your dreams, especially if you've never put them on paper. Writing them out is an amazing feeling, so give it a try. See you right back here in the next My Empower Project episode. Thanks for listening. I'm so happy to have you as part of our posse and would love for you to comment with what topics you'd like to hear about next. You can find out more at myempowerproject.com. Tap that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the exciting guests and enlightenment to come. Have a fabulous day.